afternoon, Mabuhay Laguna. I am Gina Hamadieza, 23, from the beautiful municipality of Santa Cruz.
Mabuhay everyone, I am Juzane Antoinette Ana Cabrera, 18, from the city of Calamba.
Good day, everyone. I am Giselle Larabe, 20, from the tourist capital of Laguna, Pagsanhan.
Mabuhay, Laguna. I am Juwing Makalalag from the carving capital of the Philippines and arts capital of Laguna, Bayan ng Baite. Laguna. Mabuhay. I am Zara Albunyana Vigo, 20, from the hometown of Curaplan Festival, Alaminos. Laguna calls us to explore.
Mabuhay, Laguna. I am Jana K. Coronado mula sa bayan ni Anakalang, Nagkarla.
Laguna calls us to explore.
Mabuhay. My name is Justin Nicole Espera, nagmula sa bayan ng Magdalena.
Laguna calls us to explore.
Mabuhay everyone, I am Angelica Camatoy, 18, municipality of Santa Cruz.
Good morning, everyone. I am Jasmine Charis Lirio Tolentino, 16, from the home of the sweetest pineapple, Bagong Kalawan. Mabuhay, Pauline Francio Dange, 19, from the vegetable basket of Southern Luzon, Nagkarlan.
Laguna calls us to explore through its past.
An echo morning to everyone. My name is Naomi Nivalyasar, 20, from the home of Shooting the Rapids, Pagsangha.
Laguna calls us to explore. Mabuhay! I am Juliana Aguero Panopio, 21, from the garden capital of Laguna, municipality of Bay. Laguna calls us to explore.
Mabuhay, Laguna. I am Reese Francine Montito, proudly representing the footwear capital of Laguna, Lili.
Laguna calls us to explore through its cash.
Mabuhay! This is Princess Kylie Romeo Madrideos, 17, from the carving capital of the Philippines, Paete.
Laguna calls us to explore.
Hello, everyone. I am Chanela Saire, 21, from embroidery capital of the Philippines, Lumban, Laguna.
Laguna calls us to explore.
Good morning, everyone. Winnie Marie Milurada, 19, from municipality of Santa Cruz.
Laguna.
Mabuhay, Ken Valtovino, 19, from the city of Seven Lakes, San Pablo City. Mabuhay, Ken Valtovino, 19, from the city of Seven Lakes, San Pablo City.
Good afternoon, everyone. Darin Leo Nobalino, from the home of Sikayan Festival, where we celebrate the hard work of our people, City of Santa Rosa.
Good day, everyone. I'm Jan Ivan Goas, 20, from tourist capital of Laguna, Pagsanghan.
Mabuhay, my name is James Andre Bayo, nagmula sa bayan Tanay de Rizal, Laguna.
Good day, everyone. I am Justin Gigante Valdivia, coming from the city of the Seven Lakes, San Pablo City.
Mabuhay, Laguna. I am John Paulo Soto Mercicilio from the Little Hollywood of Laguna, Magdalena.
Mabuhay, Aiden Victorino, 17, Calamba City.
Liam Omar B. Notario mula sa Pitong Lawa ng Laguna, San Pablo City.
Mabuhay. I am Prince Ariel Quinto Kapunuan, 24, from city of Santa Cruz. Mabuhay. James Ryan Ramos, 18, mula sa bayan ng Pitong Lawa, San Pablo.
Justin Kumar, I'm 16 and I'm from Santa Cruz.
po sa lahat. Ako po si Kenji Nesta Velasco, 22, mula sa bayan ng Nagcarlan. Good day, Laguna. I am Martin Constantino from the tourist capital of Laguna, Bagsangan.
Mabuhay, Laguna. I'm Ethan Lester Garcia Manalo, 21, from the municipality of Caramlan, Alaminos.
Mabuhay! I am Edward Stanley Mendoza, 22, from Bayang Pinagpala, Bilang.
Mabuhay! John Martinez Alabig Reyes, 17, from the home of the Nuestra Señora de los Dolores de Torumba, Bayan ng Paco.
Good morning, everyone. I am Christian Lewis Gray, 23 years old, from the vegetable basket of Southern Luzon, the municipality of Nagcarlan.
Good day everyone, I'm John RBT Madriaga, 23 years old, from the Special Science in Nature City, Los Baños.
Isang mapagpalang araw, I'm John R. Gerson C. Esconde, 18, nagmula sa bayan ng Rizal.
Good morning, everyone. Kendrick Rampilio, 22, from the home of famous Anakalang Lanzones Festival, Nagcarlan.